Okay guys, so we've now got our chassis rails and the chassis well under construction in our jig table. Everything you see here in the table, all the componentry, the chassis rails, everything here is supplied by Australian Rod and Custom Components, who are our major sponsor for the build of the raffle car. Their chassis rail kits come with a set of side rails, your boxing plates and your front cross member. On this occasion, even though we're going with an independent front end, which we'll show you later, we've decided to leave this front cross member, which will give us the original pickup points for radiator position and that sort of thing. So we have just cut it across the bottom here so that we've got a nice flat surface for the other front end to come up to. When we put the chassis rails into the jig, we then go along and make sure that everything's square and true, of course, and then we start the boxing plate process. So you'll see here that everything's TIG welded all the way through, just a better weld at the end of the day, and also less tidy up and clean up, you know, when it comes to any sanding or preparation. So we choose to, rather than doing one big run of weld, we do it in these smaller segments so that it just doesn't put too much heat into the rails as we go, and we also spread the positions of where we weld off. Moving through to the centre, another part that comes from Rod and Custom Components is the centre K-frame. This is what they call their DIY weld together K-frame kit. We had some input with the guys a few years ago. We got them to design these taller stays in the middle. So the centre K-frame section on the chassis, that DIY kit, we notch the centre tubes. We've got a tube notcher that we use in-house here. Just gives us a nicer finish so that we can TIG weld all through those sections there. So and then we cut these all to the right points there, so that we've once again got a nice TIG weld cavity. So over the coming days we'll also do some more videos around the rear suspension. We're only in the start of that at the moment. Once again, the components are supplied by Australian Rod and Custom Components. The brand new diff housing with axles. We'll have a centre coming for that shortly, and all the brakes. And we're running a stainless triangulated 4-bar system from Rod and Custom Components as well. We just cover everything up so that when we're doing the construction, nothing gets damaged or scratched or any welding spots. So we'll come back to that in some more videos later on, and we'll show you how we go setting up pinion angle and those sorts of things.